Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This video is about the demo of a Flutter app that I have built to participate in Digital Hack Fair. And Let me introduce myself. My name is Zubair Ahmed, and I am a senior software developer in a UK-based company called Nova. Initially, my core skill was to develop in native Android applications, and for the past couple of years, I've been developing cross-platform applications like React Native. So, first of all, I would like to congratulate all the host and manager of this event, because it's really a proud moment that these kind of events are now happening in Pakistan, and this also motivates developers like me to bring some change in technology world and represent, most importantly, to represent our country in front of outer world as well. So coming to the demo, so my app name is Riders Pool, and it is basically a ride sharing app. And In this video I will elaborate my idea a little bit and give you a live demo of my applications, because it is built with Flutter. So it is I will give you demo on both Android and iOS. And Let me share this image with you. So I have taken this screenshot and I have circled around few of the cities which are connected near to Islamabad, because this is my personal experience. That is why this idea came into my mind. If I'm talking about myself, I belongs to Wakent, and I have been traveling from Wa to Islamabad on daily basis since last 12 years. In the start, I was studying in a university, and after that, I have started my career or job in Islamabad. So I have to travel daily from Wa to Islamabad, and I know people from Wa, Texla, Hassan Abdal, and even from Fatehjung. They have to travel on daily basis towards Islamabad. So thousands of people, they do daily travel for job purpose, for study purpose, or for business purpose. And they have to face some kind of problem that they have to choose some methods or some process or some system that because it is a daily routine that we have to travel from one place to towards Islamabad. So idea is very simple. I have mentioned already available solutions. People who use their own conveyance, it is kind of expensive in terms of fuel. Um, and The other systems like Cream, they have very expensive per ride rate, like 700 to 1000, because I have personally experienced all those as well. Uber doesn't operate towards Va, Texla, and these small cities. They only operate in bigger cities like Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi, something like that. There is another option, SWVL service. Um, the main problem with them is that they only stop on main highways. Let's say if I want to travel from Va to I-93 Software Technology Park building, then I have to stop on somewhere at Kashmir Highway, and after that I have to book some cream bike or maybe cream ride to reach to my destination. And the last thing is WhatsApp groups, which is currently operating as a public groups. As in You can say, I am also using one of the group of a WhatsApp group called ride sharing or from Wa to Islamabad, something like that. But the problem with WhatsApp groups is that it limits the number of members inside, like 256 members. And it also has a problem that there are many people in the same group, and if they post some kind of ride, let's say someone posts that ride is available like 2 seats or 3 seats, and they want to share their rides. And after that, the passengers who is seeking some ride, they have to scroll up and down in WhatsApp group and look into the leaving time and destination point, and whether it is matched with their destination as well or not. So these kind of problems, I have personal experience, and I know people who are experiencing this problem as well. So that is why I brought up this idea. So my application as idea is let what I have perceived is that every big city is linked with other small cities, and people need to travel from those small towns or small cities to their workplaces on their own and face similar problems as faced by many people, like I have just explained. So application main feature, secure login through phone number and Google authentication. So I have already implemented phone number through Firebase. I didn't use any kind of backend services or backend APIs. I have used Firebase as a backend. So I will show you demo in a bit. So dashboard riders post where they can update their ports on daily basis, that how ride is available, starting point, destination point, leaving time, and if they want to give some notes on that ride, they can give it that. So single tap on call, um, not that SMS. This is basically a chat because I have integrated the Firebase with my application. So I have also integrated the chat feature with Firebase, and you can also view the map view inside the application. And there is a user profile management section, setting screen, and anyone can create post and they can put their vehicle information as well. And this is multi-platform app, obviously because it is built with Flutter. So this is my upcoming and future advancements, so I will not explain these all these. um, you can pause my video here and you can read all those as well, because we have a short span of time. So let me jump into the demo. I have connected real iOS and Android devices, as you can see, and this is my logo. I have created my own, and this is a Riders Pool logo. Let me open the app in iOS first. So I will give you the link of downloading this app, and after, if you want to install this app on iOS, you will experience this untrusted enterprise developer. This is really simple. You have to allow this app because this is not an app store app. So you have to go to the settings and general, and after that I think, yeah, this is device management, and you have to select the your iTunes account and trust this app. So after you do that, you can easily now open this application. So this is kind of splash screen. I will open this in Android as well. So Android splash screen and iOS, and I have created this a little intro about the app. So let me quickly go through all the intro section. You can check all these as well from um, when you download the app. So let's done it. So this is my login screen. We can sign in with Google quickly. Okay, so let me select an account from here as well, this one. And for iOS I have to enter my email address. Sorry about the delay, but I have to enter this. So after the login, as you can see, I have already created few of the posts while testing this application. As you can see on my Android screen and now on iOS screen as well, people who will post their rides, uh, it will come up in this dashboard kind of screen. So every post has some call, chat, and map view button, and on the top of this one record, because I have logged in with this user, so I can't see my own call, chat, or map view button. So this is the idea, as you can see on both Android and iOS. So if you tap on call, it will directly can call on the number which user will save there. And this plus button can create a new post, like I have mentioned before, that you have to enter from, where, and after that you can choose some date and time, like that, any specific details kind of thing. And if you hit submit, it will show up here like that, and all the details you can see here. So on tap of your post, you can see something like this, a detail screen, like that. If you click on some others post screen, you can see call, chat and map view button here as well. So in future I will have an idea, instead of giving the map view button here, I can display a map on the bottom of that uh, empty screen. So this is the idea. So if you go back, so there is a chat section as well. So let me open the chat screen. If I click this one from here, because I didn't implemented push notifications, so maybe in the future I have a plan to implement push notifications, and after that users can see the chat notifications as well. So I will open this. So this is the already conversation ongoing. So let me send message from here. Let's say hi message from here, and as you can see, you directly receive on iOS side, and I will say hello from here. So chat is working fine as well, and it is integrated with Firebase. So this is really exciting. So next thing is the settings screen I have created. If you can go here on the settings screen on both Android and iOS, user can edit their profile, their phone number, their name and their profile image as well, as you can see here. Okay, so here on Android side they can change the image as well, and after that there are few settings as well. So let me explain you with the iOS app. Feedback is here. User can put some kind of feedback, and I have integrated this with Firebase as well. So how to use section, I have given this in settings screen as well. And there is a terms and conditions section. So I have put some dummy text here, and then logout thing. So let me log out from both of the app, Android and iOS. And if I log in with some other account, I want to show you some uh, another screen which I can show you on Android as well. Okay, so let me log out again, sign in with Google, and I have many of the Gmail accounts as well, as you can see here. Okay, so this is sign up with phone process. I have already implemented with Firebase, but it is not working here as well. um, I have implemented this nice UI, a stepper UI in Flutter, so that in near future, if my demo got accepted, I will uncomment my code and integrate that Firebase phone authentication as well. So I have already implemented that. So coming to the code, I have a bunch of code files here. You can see I have made a separate screen folder in which all of my screens showed up here. Util folder that I am maintaining some of the common functionalities and features, and widget folders is something like you can say which are common widgets inside my application, and this is the starting point main dot dot. So I will upload this code on GitHub as well, and I will provide you the downloading links for both iOS and Android application. You can download and check those as well. So this is for iOS and this is for Android. So I will share these links. So I have used this test fairy platform in which I have uploaded my Android and iOS applications. So hopefully you like my demo here. So um, hope there would be a positive response from your side as well. So thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.